I'm caught in this moment. Hold on, don't let it slip away. Windows wide open, clear skies, no chance of rain. And I can't imagine wanting more. It's something that I can't ignore. It's everything I'm looking for right now. I feel so alive.
Birds all over me.
Behind me!
Yeah.
He jumped behind me!
I'm like, no, use you as a guard.
Seriously, this is what he did.
I did, I'm pretty sure I did.
Adam, you should do it, it's cute.
I'm not doing it.
Oh. Can't imagine wanting more. It's something that I can't ignore. It's everything I'm looking for right now. I feel so alive. Never felt so right.
We going to the baseball.
Your hat.
Nagoya baseball. Who are we seeing?
The Chinichi Dragons.
The Dragons, which their mascot looks like a koala.
Doesn't look like a koala, he is a koala.
He is a koala, the dragon koala.
Dragon's mascot is a koala.
Go Dragons!
Slash koalas.
Hey, I'm filming, Phil. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that?
Ah, got him.
Beer. I thought it was beer. I thought it was beer.
Carry him.
I feel so alive. Never felt so right. Feel so alive. I feel so alive. Never felt so right. Feel so alive. I feel so alive. and out of town. I will stay with you tonight, by your side. Shivers through just one touch. Feels first time what always was. Golden rose on your chest. Your heart beating under it. I will stay with you tonight, by your side. I will stay with you tonight, by your side. No, I will stay with you tonight. Feel the dawn open up your eyes. Oh, I've been searching, I've been high, I've been low. Oh, like a river, wide and winding, you led me home. I could stay here forever, safe inside the space that we built. I could stay here forever. I'll dive in, let it begin. Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming, just wait and see. It's a good, good.
Where's Tip gone?
It's gone.
Where was it? Where was the bar? Where was the bar store? Missing. Oh no, he's found it. There it is. He had everyone worried. Kampai. Ah. Photo. Yeah. We made it into Kevin's bar. We love your bar.
Dad comes back from Japan and always talks about Kevin's bar.
yeah?
Always talks about Kevin's bar.
This is like a church. Every time we play poker here. Yeah. Go home, go, no. One more, go home. How many cameras? 100 cameras? No. Four cameras. Four cameras. And this one?
First one is first one, 1998.
98.
Wow.
English guy and Irish girl.
Big night.
We're back in Melbourne now. As you can tell, Kasem is cold and so are we. We're rugged up. It's freezing.